We are going to do body to head. This is the pattern. We are going to do 6 magic ring, 6 single crochet. Six already. Now pull it and we put a marker. And now in each chain 2 single crochet. That means increase all. This is the second round. If you want it to go slow, in the YouTube there, you can, in the upper corner, you press the icon there and there will be the speed there. It will go fast or it could go slow. You can choose if you want to go slow to see it, you can get it. And finish, put the marker. And now here 1 single crochet, this one increase 2. Any knots or what, you just put it at the back, because later it's going to be in the body, so you cannot see the knots. Here 1 and 2. Here 1, the next one will be 2. On the first one we increase there 1, so there's 2 there already, and here 1, then 2, 2 here, okay, 1 1 2, 1 1 2. If I say 2 means it's increase, the one. This one is round 5, is all single crochet. Do this to round 12, up to round 12. This is round 13. decrease, that means take 2 and make it 1. Then 2 single crochets, go on, and then take 2 and decrease. 1, 1, and decrease. Hook and hook, decrease. Okay. 1 and 1 and decrease. Keep doing that until the end of the thread. You have to do 6 times on this. Here 1 and then hook and hook, decrease. Here 1, hook and hook, decrease. So 1 decrease, 1 decrease until the end of the black thread. The next round is we changing color. We're changing it to green color, a bit like a dirty green color. You can't find slightly darker color. Dark means very dark, I have. Try to find your Yoda color. I don't have to put the marker because the marker is already there. Here 1, and then here hook and hook, decrease. 1, 1, and decrease. Go around until the black color marker and then stuff in your fiber in. We did the body already. Now we're doing the head. Increase there, and then 1, 1, and then increase. 2, 1, 1, increase until the black thread. Round 17. Here 1, increase, 1, then increase. Do this until to the black color thread. Round 18. 1, 1, increase there till to the black. Round 19 to round 21 is all single crochet, no increase, no nothing. same only. We descend. This is round 22, descend. There's 1 and 1 and descend. And all together will be 18. Then descend. Do that until the black color thread. This is round 23. Descend. One, 2, hook and descend till the end. When it's closing up, you better stuff in the fiber. This is the last one, I think. Yeah, all will be descent until the black color, and then sew it up. The top head sew up ready. Now you sew the nose. See the eyes, how far it is. I did half of the ears. If you can find a small color button, look like the eyes, let's put it in. Before I can stuff it, I should put the eyes, but I sew it up already, so I put gum. Now I'm doing the mouth, I think. Sewing the mouth, trying to do the mouth. We are going to do the ears. You can do the reed like that, the writing, or the chart below here. Do 2 chain and single crochet, pull the thread and turn, put chain first and then increase. There. Turn, increase, chain, increase 2. Then turn, chain, increase. Here 1, 1, increase. Turn, turn, one chain ready. Here increase, a single here, single, 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 last one increase, do 3 there on the same chain, turn around ready, going around now. Here 1, at the end there, do differently. Here 1, yeah, do 2 chain and then 1, so it will look sharp of the ears. Here 1 and 1, and the end there put 1 and then do slip chain. Yes, and then cut it off. Then you can fold that and then sew them to the ears like that. Got 2. Look at it where I sew my ears. This part I'm going to start up to there because I'm having trouble taking video, so this will be part 1. The part 2 will be the next video. I use the keychain to hang it, to fix it on the head.